Hello guys, welcome back. Myself Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Now I am going to continue the topic of fundamental of the subject structure analysis 1 4th semester civil engineering. In the previous video I have covered the theoretical portion of kinematic indeterminacy, that is of Ki. Okay. Now I am going to solve the examples of beam in this video for the Ki. Okay. So let's solve the sum. So now these are the beams we need to calculate its Ki. Now, so first of all we need the formula of Ki, that is dk equals to 3j minus r, and dk none, that is equals to dk minus m. So unknown is j, m and capital R. Okay, capital R will always be there, whether it is SI or Ki, it is always there. So in each and every sum we will calculate R, then j and then m. Okay, so first of all, example number 1, as it is a fixable. Okay, let me just zoom in first of all. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, now so this one is example number 1. Cantilever beam is there. As it is a fixable, so ultimately reactions will be vertical, horizontal and moment. So capital R, value of capital R is 3. Okay, now J, joint, numbers of joint 1 and 2, so numbers of joint equals to 2. And finally M, that is numbers of sides between the joint, that is obviously 1, that is this one. So we got all the unknowns. So first of all dk, that is 3j minus r. So 3j, that is 3 times j, that is 2, minus r, that is 3. So 6 minus 3, answer is 3. Now this 3 means what? Means 3 displacements are allowed. As it is a fixed support, as we have seen in the previous video also, that in case of fixed support, as all 3 reactions produces, so no displacement are allowed. But this one is our free support, so all 3 displacement will be produces over here, because there is no reaction produces at the free support. Okay, so these 3 displacements are allowed. So vertical displacement, that is delta y1, horizontal delta x1, and rotation, that is theta 1. So these are the displacement which are getting produced. Okay, then dk, that is dk minus m, dk, that is 3, m, that is 1. So answer comes 2. As we have seen in the theory, we need to neglect the axial deformation in case of dk none. So horizontal component will be, or horizontal displacement will be neglected. So ultimately our answer will be 2, that is theta 1 delta y1. Okay, next this one, example number 2. Now fixed support, so 3 reactions will be there, vertical, horizontal, moment. Okay, capital R, that is 3. And over here roller support is there, so 1 vertical reaction, 1, 3 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, now as it is, we can say roller support only vertical reaction produces, so the remaining displacement produces will be horizontal, as well as we can say rotation. These 2 will be produces. Okay, let's solve the sum. Dk 3j minus r. Okay, joint is remaining, just a minute. Numbers of joint, that is 2. And talking about m, numbers of sides between the joint, that is only one side. M, numbers of sides between the joint, that is 1. So finally dk 3j minus r, 3 times j is 2 and r, that is 4. So 6 minus 4, answer comes 2. And as I have told you, only one reaction is produced, so remaining displacement will be our final answer. So our answer will be theta 1 into delta x1. Now dk none, neglecting axial deformation, so dk minus m, so m is 1, so 2 minus 1, answer comes 1. So out of these 2 answer we need to neglect the axial deformation, so our answer will be finally, that is rotation, theta 1. Okay, next. So hope so guys you are getting the concept properly. Okay, now example number 3, fixed support. So at both end fixed support is there, so ultimately total numbers of reactions produces will be 6, capital R, that is 3 plus 3, that is 6. Okay, joint 1 and 2, so numbers of joint equals to 2. And m, numbers of sides between the joint, that is 1. Okay, so finally dk 3j minus r, 3 times j, that is 2, r, that is 6. 6 minus 6, answer 0. So beam is kinematically determinate, so we cannot calculate dk none because it is already determinate. Okay, and simple common sense guys, as it is a fixed support, so no displacement are allowed. It is also fixed support, no displacement are allowed, so ultimately no displacement will be produced. See, we have seen this one in theory also, like over here I have shown you in the previous video also, that in case of, we can say, hinge support, two reactions are produced, so ultimately only one remaining one, that is rotation, is allowed. In case of roller support, only one reaction is produced, so the displacement allowed are two, that is rotation and we can say horizontal. While in case of fixed support, as all three reactions produces, so no displacement is allowed in this one. While in case of the, we can say, free support, as no reaction will be produced, so in this case all three displacement, vertical, horizontal and rotation, will be allowed. So this is the basic concept of this kinematic indeterminacy of the beam. Okay, now moving forward, that is example number 4. Now in this one, hinge support, so vertical and horizontal, two reactions will be there, and roller support, only vertical reaction will be there. See, now without solving the sum, I can know the answer. See, in this one, say in hinge support, vertical and horizontal produces, so rotation will be produces. Okay, and in case of roller support, as only vertical reaction is there, so the remaining one is horizontal and rotation. So this is 2, 1 plus 2, so my answer of decay will be definitely 3. I have not started the even sum, but I can calculate the answer by just simple basic concept that the numbers of reactions are produces. Okay, so what I need to calculate, the numbers of displacement which will be required to make it 3. Okay, see, joint, that is numbers of joint, that is 2, m, numbers of sides between the joint, that is 1. Okay, so 3j minus r, that is decay, joint is 2, r is 3, so 3 times 2 minus 3, so 6 minus 3, 3. See, as I told you, in this one rotation will be produces, and in this one rotation and horizontal will be produces. So theta 1, theta 2 and delta x1, these are produces displacement. Now decay none, decay minus m, neglecting axial deformation, m is 1, so 3 minus 1, answer comes 2. So in this one, axial deformation delta x is neglected, so final answer is theta 1, theta 2. Okay, now example number 5. In this one, hinge support, so vertical and horizontal, roller support, so vertical only, plus 1, roller support only vertical, plus 1. So ultimately total reaction produces will be 4. Okay, now J, numbers of joint, 1, 2, 3, 4. J stands for numbers of joint, and M, that is numbers of sides between the joint, 1, 2, 3. So numbers of sides equals to 3. Now let's put down the value in the formula. Decay, that is 3j minus r, joint stands for 4, r stands for 4, so 3 times 4 minus 4, so 3 into 4, 12, 12 minus 4, answer will be 8. Now which 8 displacement will be produces, that we have already carried out. See, first of all, I am showing the reactions which is produces. Just a minute, let me zoom little bit. Yeah, see, first of all, hinge support, so vertical reaction produces, hinge support vertical, horizontal, roller support vertical, roller support vertical. These are the actual reactions which are getting produces, so the remaining one will be displacement. So in case of the first one, as rotation is not produces, so I can show rotation theta 1. See, theta 1. Now second case, roller support, rotation will be produces theta 2, and horizontal displacement will be produces, that is delta x1. See, theta 2, delta x1. Third, roller support, same thing, rotation theta 3 and horizontal delta x2, theta 3 and delta x2. And this one is the free support, so no reaction is produces, so all three displacement are possible. We can say theta 4, then we can say horizontal delta x3 and delta y1. So these are the reactions which are already produces. So okay, so these are the displacement, total numbers of displacement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See, so our answer has come 8. So okay, so decay's answer is 8. Now decay none, that is decay minus m. Now in this one, decay, that is 8, m, that is numbers of sides between the joint, that answer was 3. Just a minute, answer was 3. So 8 minus 3, answer comes 5. So what we need to do, out of this the answer of decay, we need to neglect the axial deformation, means delta x. So delta x1, delta x2 and delta x3 will be neglected. See, neglecting axial deformation. So the remaining ones are our answer. See, theta 1, theta 2, theta 3, theta 4 and delta y1. Clear? So these are our answer. In each and every example we need to do this one. Next, that is this one. Example number 6. Fixed support. So vertical, horizontal, moment. See, 3. Roller support. So vertical. Roller support, vertical. Clear? So from this one I can say the decay will be, see over here no reactions, all 3 reactions produces, so no displacement will be there. In case of roller support only one reaction is produced, so the remaining one is theta 1 and we can say delta x1. Clear? See, theta 1 delta x1. In this one roller support again theta 2 and delta x2 horizontal. See, and this one is the free support, so all 3 reaction theta 3 delta x3 delta y1. See, so even before calculating decay I can get the answer by just simple concept that which deformations are getting produces at which support, like that. So J, numbers of joint 1 2 3 4, and that is M, numbers of sides between the joint 1 2 3, that is 3. Let's put down the answer, that is 3J minus R, joints are 4, R is 5. So 3 times 4 12 minus 5, answer comes 7, and you can calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 numbers of displacements are there. Then decay none, that is decay minus M, decay is 7 minus M, that is 3, answer comes 4, and that is also we can from this one neglect delta x1 x2 x3, always neglect delta x, so remaining will be decay none 1 2 3 4. See, your answer is 4. These are the criteria. Okay, so hope so guys you are getting the concept. Then example number 7, this one. In this one, as fixed support is there, vertical, horizontal, moment. In this one, vertical, hinge support, so vertical and horizontal. So ultimately capital R will be, see, 3 plus 1 plus 2. So the remaining one will be decay. Say over here no displacement. In roller support rotation and horizontal displacement produces. Okay, then in this one again hinge support, so only rotation is produces. Now this one is something new, that is this time over here it is given a pin support. So in case of pin support we have seen in the theory, whenever the pin support is there, or we can say internal hinge, it provides the 4 displacement, 2 rotations theta 2 theta 3 and horizontal delta x and delta y, like that. Okay, so always remember this rule that internal hinge will provide extra condition. So let's calculate our answer. See, 1 2, these are 4, so 3 4 5 6, and over here 2 7 8. So our answer of decay, now just a minute, 1 2, okay, 1 2 3, okay, over here only one reaction is there, so 7. So ultimately our answer will be 7. See, let's calculate by the parameters. First of all, joint 1 2 3, these are numbers of joint. Then J dash, that is numbers of, we can say pin joint, or we can say internal hinge, numbers of pin joint, that is 1. M, numbers of sides between the joint 1 2 and 3. So M, numbers of sides between the joint. Clear? Then RR, as pin is there, so numbers of side connected minus 1, so 2 sides are connected, so N minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, answer will be 1. So ultimately we can say decay, that is 3 times J plus J dash minus capital R plus small r, the formula is changed compared to the previous one. 3 times J, that is 3, J dash 1, this one, minus capital R, that is 6 plus small r, that is 1. So simplifying the term, 3 into 4 12 minus 6 6 plus 1 7, answer comes 7. And as I told you, 7 terms are this one, this 4, this 2 and this 1. So ultimately these are our answer. Clear? And decay none, that is in this one formula will also be changed, decay none equals to decay minus M minus 1. Why this is M minus 1 and why this is J dash and RR? Just because this internal roller, or we can say internal hinge or pin is given to us, otherwise we were not doing this kind of sums. Okay, so decay minus M minus 1, so 7 minus 3 minus 1, so 7 minus 2, answer comes 5. neglect the horizontal one from this one. Say delta x1 and delta x2 equals to 0. So the remaining one are our final answer. Okay, just a minute. Example number 8. Similar kind of example is given to us. See, fixed support, so 1, 2, 3. Roller support 1, roller support 1. So 3 plus 1 plus 1, capital R is, we can say, 5. Okay, now joint 1, 2, no, this one is not joint, this one is joint. 3, numbers of joint, that is 3. Then J dash, numbers of pin joint, that is 1, 2, that is J dash, numbers of pin joint. M, numbers of sides between the joint, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is M, numbers of sides between the joint. Now talking about the reactions produces now. So ultimately, first of all, dk, that is 3 times J plus J dash minus R. Okay, and the RR1 is remaining one. RR means numbers of side joint minus 1. 1, 2 sides are joined, so 2 minus 1 for this one. Again numbers of side joint 2 minus 1 for this one. So ultimately answer is 2. As we have got all the answers, now dk. 3 times J plus J dash, J is 3, J dash is 2. 3 times 3 plus 2 minus capital R, that is 5, plus small r, that is 2. By simplifying the term, 3 times 5, 15, minus 5, 10, plus 2, answer is 12. See, and as I told you earlier also, before getting this answer 12, I can directly tell how this displacement will be produced based on the reactions produces. See, let's see, over here 1, 2, 3 reactions produces. Over here roller support 1 reaction will be produces, roller support 1 reaction will be produces. So all the remaining one are the displacement. In this one no displacement will be there, free support is there. So 2 rotation, theta 1, theta 2, vertical and horizontal. Say theta 1, theta 2, vertical and horizontal, that is for the first one. Now then roller support, only vertical reaction produces, so the remaining one is rotation and horizontal. So theta 3 and delta x2. Clear? Now this one pin support, so again 4 displacement, theta 4, theta 5, delta x3, delta y2. See, and last one roller support, again only vertical reaction produces, the remaining one is displacement means rotation and horizontal displacement, theta 6, delta x4. Clear? So you can directly calculate it on the basis of numbers of reactions produces, remaining one will be displacement. Okay, so these are our displacement. Total 12 displacements are there, and out of this neglect horizontal, delta x1, delta x2, delta x3, delta x4. So out of 12, 4 will be minus, so our final answer will be 8. You can directly say this one. Clear? So dk none, that is dk minus m, 12 minus 4, answer comes 8. All these 4 reactions, x1, x2, delta x3, delta x4, neglecting, so this becomes 0. Okay, so these were the examples which I have taken from the reference book. Now let's see some of the examples which has been asked in the exam. In the exam normally this kind of tough sums are not asked, it is quite simple. Example number 9. So first of all, horizontal and vertical for hinge support, roller vertical, then roller vertical. So ultimately capital R, numbers of reaction produces, that is 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. J, numbers of joint 1, 2, 3, 4, that is numbers of joint. And numbers of sides between the joint 1, 2 and 3, numbers of sides between the joint, that is 3. So dk 3j minus r, 3 times j 4, r is 4, 3 times 4 minus 4, 12 minus 4, answer comes 8. Now so let me show you which 8 displacement are produces. See, as I told you, what you need to do, first of all vertical reaction and horizontal for hinge, roller vertical, roller vertical. So the remaining one will be, we can say, displacement. In this one rotation will be produces, theta 1, this one. In this one roller support, so rotation and horizontal, right? So theta 2, delta x1. Third one again roller support, so rotation theta 3 and horizontal delta x2, theta 3, delta x2. And this one is a free support. Okay, so all 3 displacement, theta 4, horizontal dx and vertical dy, theta 4, delta x3 and delta y1. Clear? And out of these 2, now dk none, that is dk minus m, m is 3, so 8 minus 3, answer comes 5. So neglect the delta x, delta x1, x2, L3, x3 will be neglected, so the remaining one are my final answer, that is DK none. Okay, next example number 10. This one, hinge support, so vertical horizontal, roller support vertical. Say 2 plus 1, that is 3. J 1 2 3, that is numbers of joint. M numbers of sides within the joint, that is 2. Clear? DK 3j minus r, 3 times j, that is 3, and r, that is 3. 3 times 3 minus 3, so 9 minus 3, answer comes 6. So talking about 6 reaction. Hinge support, so in hinge support only rotation is produces theta 1. Roller support, rotation and horizontal produces theta 2 delta x1. Free support, all three, theta 3 delta x2 delta y1, theta 3 delta x2 delta y1. Okay, so these are the criteria, and from this avoid the axial deformation delta x1 x2. I will get the DK none. DK minus m is 2, 6 minus 2, answer is 4. So theta 1 theta 2 theta 3 and delta y1. Clear? Next example number 11. Now in this one also, roller support, sorry, hinge support vertical horizontal, roller support vertical, roller support vertical, capital R, that is 4. J numbers of joint 1 2 3, that is numbers of joint equals to 3, and M numbers of sides between the joint, that is 2. Clear? DK 3j minus r, 3 times j is 3, 3 times 3 minus r, that is 4. So 9 minus 4, answer comes 5. Now which 5 answer will be there? That now in case of hinge support, rotation is produces, in case of roller, rotation and horizontal is produces, in case of roller, rotation and horizontal is produces. See, first theta 1, then theta 2 delta x1, and theta 3 delta x3, like that. And out of this neglect delta x, so ultimately DK none equals to DK minus m is 2, 5 minus 2, answer comes 3. So theta 1 theta 2 and theta 3, that will be my answer. Okay, so hope so guys you are getting the concept. Now example number 12, just a minute. Now in this one, so first of all, fixed support is there, vertical horizontal moment, roller vertical, roller vertical, so capital R. Okay, sorry, this one is also hinge support. So 3 plus 2 plus 1, so ultimately capital R equals to 6. So joint 1 2 3, that is joint. Now in this one internal hinge is there, so that will be J dash. J dash equals to numbers of pin joint, that is 1. Clear? Now so RR will be there. Okay, RR means numbers of side connected minus 1, so 2 sides are connected, so 2 sides connected minus 1, so I will get the value of RR. Okay, so now let's calculate the answer. DK 3 times j plus j dash minus r plus RR, so 3 times j, that is 3, j dash 1 minus capital R, that is 6, plus small r, that is 1. So 3 times 4, 12 minus 6, 6 plus 1, answer comes 7. See, in this 7 answer I have already discussed before also. See, numbers of reaction produces, these are the 1. So the remaining one will be displacement, simple. So displacement, in this one no displacement will be there, hinge is there, so theta 1 theta 2 horizontally delta x, vertically delta y1. Now in case of hinge support only rotation is produces, theta 3. In case of roller support, rotation as well as horizontal produces. So 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 7. See, these are the answer. Okay, and over here I add the condition internal hinge provide 4 displacement component, that is for this one. DK none, DK minus m minus 1, m is 3, so DK minus 3 minus 1, so 7 minus 2, answer comes 5. Avoid the horizontal, so the remaining one are answer theta 1 theta 2 theta 3 theta 4 and delta y1. See this one. Okay, then example number 13, similar kind of example, November 2019. 1 2 3, hinge 1 2. See, this is a similar example which we solve example number 12. Same answer will be there. Okay, same. Okay, actually sum is exactly same. By mistake I have shown it 2 times. See, fixed support, internal hinge, hinge support, roller. So this is the same example, so we will get same answer. And then the last one, Now fixed support, vertical, horizontal moment. Fixed support, vertical, horizontal moment. See, this one is pin, but I will consider pin as a JS. Okay, so ultimately capital R, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Joint 1, 2, numbers of joint. Then numbers of pin joint. Now 1, and this one is common here, once again 2, so numbers of pin joint 2. RR, numbers of side connected -1, 2 -1, that is this one. And for this one, numbers of side connected -1, or only one side is connected, so we can say 1 -1, that is 0. So 1 plus 0, answer will be 1. Okay. M, numbers of sides between the joint, that is obviously 2. Now let's put down the equation. Dk, 3 times j plus j dash minus capital R plus small r. 3 times j dash, both equals to 2 minus capital R, that is 6, plus small r, that is 1. Okay. So ultimately 3 times 4, that is 12 minus 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. Plus 1 is why? Because pin is provided exactly at this support. Okay, that's why I have given the plus 1. So ultimately unknown parameters. Now 3 reactions will be produces. Over here also 3 displacement reactions will be produces. So the remaining one are for hinge, 4 theta 1, theta 2, horizontally and vertically. Clear? This one. And similarly same parameters over here. Pin support is there, this one, theta 1, theta 2, horizontally and vertically. See, you can say, sir, roller support is there over here, but at the same time pin is also there over there, so we need to calculate that also. So again 4. So ultimately 7 plus 4 plus 4, answer is 8. Then dk, none, dk minus m minus 1, 7. Okay, consider it as a 7 only. Okay, 7 minus m plus 1, that is 2 minus 1, answer comes 6. Cancel the horizontal one as a neglect, and delta x1 delta x2 equals to 0, so that's why. Okay, over here don't need to consider this one, our answer will be 7. Though why I have given over here as a 8, because there are 4 reactions, 4 displacements are there in each of the pin joint, that's why I have shown you plus 1. If you don't write plus 1, then also it's okay, you can write down your answer dk equals to 7. See, I have taken calculation 7 also. Okay, so guys, hope so you have got all the concept regarding the beam. This was the video of the kinematic indeterminacy of the beam. Myself, Assistant Professor Gaurang Prajapati, signing off.